In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw windows in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable window you can drop into any drawing. Let's keep it simple, clear, and efficient. Start by creating the main outline using the rectangle tool. You can click the rectangle icon on the ribbon or simply type REC and press Enter. Click to set your first corner, then either drag and click for the opposite corner or type precise dimensions right away, like width and height, using the format width, height. Using Object Snap for corners helps keep everything accurate, and turning on ortho can keep your lines perfectly horizontal or vertical. This rectangle is your window's overall footprint, so size it to fit your design context. Next, add dimensions to document the size you want. Activate the Dimension command from the Annotate tab or type DEM and press Enter. Click the first corner of the rectangle, then the opposite corner to place a clear width dimension. Do the same for the height. Place your dimension text where it's easy to read and not overlapping other elements. If you're working with specific units, keep an eye on the command line prompts so your values reflect the right scale. Dimensions aren't just for others, they help you check your own accuracy before moving on. Now, create the window frames. The fastest method is the Offset tool. Type Offset and press Enter, then enter the frame thickness you want. Click your outer rectangle and choose the side to offset toward the inside to form a border. You can repeat this to create inner frames or mullions. If you prefer more control, you can draw additional rectangles and lines to lay out the frame pattern you need, snapping to midpoints or centers for symmetry. Keep your spacing consistent so the window looks balanced. With the frame in place, apply a glass hatch to the glazing areas. Type Hatch and press Enter. Then choose a glass-style pattern from the pattern list. Click inside each glass pane to fill it. If you don't see a dedicated glass pattern, pick a subtle pattern or a solid with a lighter shade so it reads as glass without overpowering the drawing. Adjust the scale or angle if the pattern looks too dense or too light. Finally, turn the whole thing into a block so you can reuse it anywhere. Select the entire window, type Block, and press Enter. Give it a clear name, pick a logical base point like a corner or the center, and confirm the selection set. Click OK. Now your window is saved as a block you can insert into any drawing. That's all. Simple, tidy, and ready to use.